Captions convey vital information about who did what, when, where, and, sometimes, why. Strong captions accompanied by interesting images can pique the reader's interest in a complete story. Without captions, people draw their own conclusions about an image. They are also the perfect place to give credit to the photographer or image creator. Therefore, it is urgent that you find all your files without captions so that you can give the corresponding credits to each author, and give more context to your visitors for them to find your texts even more interesting. The problem is that if you do it without help, it will take you many hours. But don't worry, because in this video we'll show you how to quickly find all the images with empty captions in the media library using the media library spreadsheet plugin. This plugin is designed to simplify the management of your media library. It displays all your files in a spreadsheet, where you can edit them in seconds. It also contains advanced search and bulk editing tools. With these tools, you can find and edit thousands of files in seconds. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Once you have installed and opened our plugin, we'll look for all the images without media caption. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be Contains. Here we'll enter image. Now add a new filter. Enter caption as the field key. We'll leave the equal operator. And leave this field empty. Finally, run the search to filter all your images with empty caption. After we have filtered all the images we were looking for, we can go ahead and make the changes needed, either directly in the spreadsheet or using the bulk edit tool. As you can see, it's really easy and fast to filter all your images with empty caption using the media library spreadsheet plugin. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.